discouraged, dragging my battered dreams behind. Wondering if the battle's worth the fighting, and why so many people's eyes are blind. People's eyes are blind. And the song grows deep inside my soul. I know if God wants me to use it, the striving's more important than the goal. And I think, what would I do without my music? What would I do without my song? What would I do without my music? To make things right when everything seems wrong. And as I lose my worries in my music, dreams start rebuilding strong and high. And I know, though I may not be winning, I'm a long, long way from a lone twig if I try. And I think, what will I do